Jesus Christ.
Jeez.
Fuck.
Yo, where are we going, fam?
Tune, buddy. Volkswagen tune.
We about to go to DOMAN8 to get the tune for the fucking Wookiee?
She's gonna sound nice real soon.
Oh yeah.
Only this light would fucking change. Should I just park right here then?
Yeah.
Yeah, so without that sensor change, it won't really...
It'll still work.
Yeah.
You'll only have the cruise selectable on while non-vision, nothing.
Yeah.
It's like a space. What time's it right now?
It's 7:42.
Gotta meet earmuffs for it.
You got the earmuffs?
Hold on 1 second here. Great. Jesus Christ.
Jeez.
Fuck my life.
Feel that in my chest. Holy.
Motherfucker, that's loud as fuck.
Bro, oh my god. We got another Jetta pulling up.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Holy fuck.
Is it looking good?
So yeah, just partial throttle in second gear for me.
In second?
Yep. We'll just do Crackle first.
Yeah. He didn't even test out the no lift shift yet.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so fun.
Jesus Christ.
We're gonna do something here for you guys. Just when this light turns off.
Alright, Yo, so we just came back from fucking DOMAN8. This shit is fucking crazy.
sick, man.
What do you think?
Sick.
What do you think about the
Bro,
tune?
completely different car. Like, not looks wise, but like the way it drives for sure.
Oh yeah, we
So many cool fucking noises coming out of this thing.
found some shit that we need to fix on her, but like fucking sounds unreal.
Oh yeah, definitely worth it, yo.